at this juncture also, we will request Rad Sky. Now it's time to make a wish. Let us join together in singing the birthday song as our debutant Hannah prepares her wishes and blow her birthday candles.
Birthday candles naman.
Okay? Sino may count? Talan kita makanta ha? Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday And now, we hear the message of gratitude and love of our debutant.
The stage is not my place of being younger. Time flew so fast and it seemed that it just happened yesterday. This experience is ended remarkable for me, an experience which I will forever treasure. It was exactly 17 years when I grew up with my grandparents. This evening was filled with happiness and memories that I will treasure and cherish for a lifetime. Tonight, I will be closing one of the most beautiful chapters of my life. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who have been part of this. I am forever thankful to our dear Lord who made all this possible. I could not have done this without you. To my family, thank you so much for gracious help. To my loving mother, Norlin, thank you for undying love and support. I would not have become the woman now if it were not for your continuous love, provision, and encouragement. To my tatay, who's watching in heaven, you are my inspiration. You are truly missed, and I hope you are here to witness this. To my Tito Rons, thank you so much for being here. To Tito Ronald, thank you for your stunning creation and for making you look even more beautiful from then till now. To my friends, classmates, and to all the people who made this possible, my heartfelt thanks for your dear support. Words are not enough to describe the immense amount of gratitude I have for you. This once-in-a-lifetime experience will forever be cherished. And tonight, as I step to 18 on my reign, I will bring with me all the memories and learning from younger generations. The true 18 is not only determined by age, but a responsibility traversing on my shoulders. But it is the inner beauty and kind-heartedness that I will carry in all facets of life. To all turning 18, just be yourself, but always remember, be your best self. Once again, I'm Hannah Alea Cordero Panadero, 18. Thank you.
So once again, let's give a round of applause to our debutant, Hannah Elijah Panadero. Thank you, Hannah, for the heartfelt message. As we come to the end of tonight's celebration, we thank everyone for joining this very special occasion. On behalf of Hannah and her family, your presence has made this evening unforgettable. May the years ahead be filled with endless joy, adventure, and blessings. Now, let us enjoy the rest of the evening with good food, good music, and good company. Dinner is now served. Bon appetit. Good evening. Everyone, ang aton nga area sa pagkaon,